create skill drawings on a grid level 1. From Google Classroom it says complete questions in Delta Math. For each question write C Delta Math. Just a quick reminder, you want the unique ID as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and copy the figure and just show you how I'm getting my calculations. Again, you don't have to provide work other than writing the unique ID. So the first thing that I would like to go ahead and remind you that our scale factor equation, it simply says this, that if you take the pre-image and you multiply that by, you know what, let's abbreviate this. If you take the pre-image and you multiply it by your k-factor, that's going to give you your image. So I'll kind of use this idea. So in other words, I'm going to start by finding the length of all these sides. So the length of this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to clarify, that one is 5. The length of this side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then all I have to do is to find out the corresponding lengths. So let's go ahead and take the first length, which is 5. We're going to multiply that by the scale factor. And let's see, they said the scale factor is 2. So I'm going to go 5 times 2. And 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So I'm sure if we counted this one here, watch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Obviously that's 10. So we'd have another 10 down here, but let's not worry about that for right now. Now I'm going to take my next length, which is 8, and I multiply by, again, the scale factor of 2, and that's going to give me 16. So again, I would have to go ahead and let's see if I can draw a quick line here. So I'm going to come down here, and when I'm done, I'm not going to worry about counting it, but this should have a length of 16, and then we'd go down 16, and then we should join them together. So let's go straight back into Delta Math. Again, these calculations don't have to be written down. I'm assuming that most people in their head can go 5 times 2 is 10 and 8 times 2 is 16. So the length of this side is going to be 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then let's go down 16 as well. And just make sure these join. Feel pretty good about that. Alright, I'll pause the video and see if I can find, instead of an enlargement, find a reduction. Okay, so the figure on the left, we're going to use the scale factor of 1/2, and we have to find the corresponding side length. So let's start with this side length here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. That has a length of 4. So if I use my scale factor equation, that's 4 multiplied by k, and in this case our k value is 1/2. So 4 times 1/2. So if you need a quick reminder of how to multiply integers and fractions, remember an integer can be turned into a fraction by putting it over 1. And then multiplication of fractions, top times top, which is 4 times 1 is 4, and 1 times 2 is 2. And then 4 divided by 2 simplifies to 2. So this length is going to be 4 over here, and then obviously they give us this length, this is going to be 2. So let's go over and find out the horizontal length. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the nice thing about Delta Math, he gives you some pretty friendly numbers to deal with. So it's going to be 12 multiplied by 1/2. Again, if you feel more comfortable, make it over 1, multiply the numerators, which is 12, multiply the denominators, which is 2, and then 12 divided by 2 gives you 6. So we should have a length over here. This should be 6 units, like that. So again, use the calculations if you need it, but otherwise I'm just going to be looking to see if you got this right in Delta Math. So let's come over here. This length should be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this one should also be 6, which means that they're going to be the same length. And then 2. There you got it. Simple.